Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be talking to you about this product I received. It's called the Loreal Elvive Color Vibrancy Repair and Protect Balm. I got this about a month ago, free from influenster, and it was sent to me so that I could test it out and review it and let you guys know what I think. So this product is supposed to be for colored hair, but I haven't had my hair colored in a while. So this is just my natural. And it's actually made my own color like more vibrant, and it's just been gorgeous. I've loved it. And before I started using it, my hair was super frizzy. Like, this is really good for frizz right now. And it was wild and coarse, and it was just like a wild mess. It did its own thing. I try not to touch it very often. Now it's super silky, it's smooth. I can't stop touching it. And you're supposed to see, it claims to see results after just one use. And let me tell you, I saw results after just one use. I couldn't get over it. I was very skeptical when I first got it. But after testing it out, it worked pretty good. And I would have to say that Elvive has definitely revived my hair. So, thanks Influenster and L'Oreal for this amazing product. Feel free to subscribe down below, check back for more, and have a nice day.